Welcome to InvestoSphere, the go-to channel for financial freedom, smart side hustles, and online income strategies. If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind or simply looking for a flexible, high-demand career that you can do from anywhere in the world, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide on how to become a remote bookkeeper. No prior experience required. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a recent college graduate, or someone just looking to break free from the office, bookkeeping could be your golden ticket to working from home while making consistent, stable income. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a math wizard. You don't even need a degree in accounting. What you do need is the right roadmap, dedication, and the willingness to learn. And that's exactly what this video is going to give you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what remote bookkeeping is, but also how to get certified, find clients, set your rates, and grow this into a full-time income stream. Part 1. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording and organizing financial transactions for a business. It's a foundational role that helps businesses track income, expenses, and maintain financial health. Bookkeepers ensure everything is documented properly so that business owners and their accountants have accurate record for tax season and financial decision-making. Unlike accounting, which involves interpretation and analysis, bookkeeping is more about accurate data entry and record keeping. That's why it's the perfect entry-level role for remote workers. Part 2. Skills you need to succeed. Attention to detail. Accuracy is key. Organization. You'll be managing receipts, invoices, and financial reports. Basic computer skills. You'll be using bookkeeping software. Communication. You'll need to interact with clients professionally. Willingness to learn. You'll continuously need to update your knowledge. You can develop all of these skills with time and practice, even if you're starting from scratch. Part 3. Get trained and certified. While you don't need a college degree, it helps to take a bookkeeping course. Here are some popular options. Bookkeeper Launch, Intuit Academy, Coursera and Udemy courses, community college certificate programs. After training, you can pursue certifications like QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor, NACPB Certified Bookkeeper, AIPB Certification. Certifications help you build credibility and trust with clients. Part 4. Tools you'll need. Here's what your basic remote bookkeeping toolkit might look like. Computer or laptop. High-speed internet. Bookkeeping software, QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks. Spreadsheet software, Excel or Google Sheets. Project management tools, Trello, Asana. Communication tools, Zoom, Slack. Part 5. How to find your first clients. Start with people in your network. Offer to help local businesses or freelancers. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, LinkedIn, Facebook business groups. Build a basic website or LinkedIn profile that clearly shows your services and skills. Share testimonials and offer free trials to build trust. Part 6. Setting your rates. When you're just starting, don't undervalue yourself. Research the market. Beginners often charge $25 to $40 an hour. Experienced remote bookkeepers can earn $50 to $100 an hour or more. You can also offer fixed monthly packages, which are easier for clients to budget for. Part 7. Creating your workflow. Use a consistent process. Onboarding clients. Collecting financial documents. Recording transactions weekly or monthly. Reconciling bank statements. Sending reports to clients. Automate wherever possible and create templates to save time. Part 8. Scaling your business. Once you've built a steady client base, raise your rates gradually. Specialize in a niche, real estate, e-commerce, coaches. Outsource or hire junior bookkeepers. Offer additional services like invoicing or payroll. You can even build a bookkeeping agency where you oversee multiple clients and bookkeepers. Real-life success. We'll now go through a few real-life examples of people who started from scratch and built six-figure bookkeeping businesses working remotely. A stay-at-home mom who replaced her full-time income within 1 year. A laid-off employee who turned to bookkeeping and now works 25 hours a week. A recent college graduate who started freelancing on Upwork and now has recurring monthly clients. Common mistakes to avoid: not backing up financial data, mixing personal and business finances, taking on too many clients too quickly, undercharging or not tracking time, avoiding contracts and written agreements. Is remote bookkeeping right for you? Ask yourself, do you enjoy working independently? Are you okay with routine tasks and structure? Are you willing to keep learning and improving? If yes, then remote bookkeeping might just be the perfect career path. If you made it to the end of this video, congratulations. You now have a clear, actionable path to becoming a successful remote bookkeeper. You've learned what bookkeeping is, what skills you need, how to get certified, find clients, set your rates, and even grow this into a business. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep improving. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with time, effort, and the right strategy, remote bookkeeping can give you both financial freedom and the flexibility to live life on your terms. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready to start your journey as a remote bookkeeper? Question for you: what's holding you back from becoming a remote bookkeeper? Is it fear, lack of experience, or not knowing where to start? Let us know below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.